Good afternoon, children. The next system we are going to see, in previous PPT we have seen artificial system. So now we are going to see the natural system of classification. So it was framed by Bentham and Hooker. Two scientists combined together and did that work. So they proposed that they are two English botanists. They are published their result in 3-volume work, that is Genera Plantorum. So they are describing 202 families, 7,569 genera and 97,205 species. Plant was classified according to the natural system. So they concentrated on seeded plants. They are classifying the seeded plants into 3 major classes: dicotyledone, gymnospermae and monocotyledons. Dicotyledons means the plants which have 2 cotyledons. So ஒரு சீடை ரெண்டாக நம்ம பிரேக் பண்ண முடியும்னா அதான் dicotyledon. Gymnosperm, they are not producing fruits, they are producing naked seeds. Seeds exposed ஆகிடும். Monocotyledons, they are producing only 1 cotyledon. We cannot break it into 2. Example, paddy சொல்லலாம். Dicotyledon, all pulses. So here we are going to see about the seeded plant classification. Class 1 dicotyledone, class 2 gymnospermae. So under the gymnosperm, 3 major families are there: Genetaceae, Coniferae, Cycadaceae. Class 3 monocotyledone. Under this 7 series and 34 families are there. So now the dicotyledons classified into 3 subclasses: Polypetalae. Series 1 Thalamiflorae, 6 orders, 34 families. Subclass 2 Gamopetalae. Series 1 Inferae, 3 orders and 9 families. Subclass 3 Monoclamidae, 8 series and 36 families. So series 2 Disciflorae, 4 orders and 23 families. Series 3 Calciflorae, 5 orders and 27 families. Gamopetalae is divided into 3 series: Inferae, Cetromerae and Bicarpellatae. So now you have to take the book and the figure number 5.6 you have to take. Now I am going to explain each and every characteristics of particular class and series. Okay, எல்லாரும் எடுத்துட்டீங்களா? Have you taken the page figure 5.6 Bentham and Hooker system of classification? So class 1 dicotyledone, these are the important 3 characters. Under this we are classified the plants. They are having 2 cotyledons. Root system is always taproot. Venation is always reticulate. If they possess 3 characters, they will come under the class dicotyledone. Subclass 1 Polypetalae, the petals are free. So what are the flowers? Even though it is present in the dicotyledone, the petals are free means they will kept under subclass 1 Polypetalae. Now series 1 Thalamiflorae. So here we have going to see the thalamus. So Thalamiflorae, they are conical shaped thalamus with superior ovary. The ovary is superior. Series 2 Disciflorae. So their thalamus is disc and with superior ovary. Calciflorae cup shaped. Thalamus with inferior ovary. So we are considering the thalamus here along with the ovary. So the first one is conical shaped thalamus, superior ovary. Disciflorae, disc thalamus with superior ovary. Calciflorae, cup shaped thalamus with inferior ovary. So now class 2 gymnospermae, naked seeds. They are not producing fruits. Under these 3 families are there: Genetaceae, Coniferae, Cycadaceae. Subclass 2 Gamopetalae. Here the petals are united. Series 1 Inferae, epigynous வித் இன்ஃபீரியர் ஓவரி. நீங்கள் ஏற்கனவே ஃப்ளவரில் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. இன்ஃபீரியர் ஓவரினா அந்த ஃப்ளவர் வந்து என்னது? எப்பிகைனஸ். ஹெட்ரோமெரே இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the ovary become hypogynous, superior ovary, but along with that character we are considering carpels also. More than 2 carpels, all the flowers comes under heteromere. So epigynous with inferior ovary comes under inferae. Then we are classified in generally class dicotyledonous, then series and class. Series 3 bicarpellate. Here the flower is hypogynous, superior ovary with 2 carpels. All the plants comes under the series bicarpellate. Then monocotyledon classification. Now we are up to that we have seen dicotyledon. Now monocotyledons. So are you referring that figure, Bentham and Hooker system of classification? Then only you can understand. So 7 series and 34 families are comes under monocotyledonous class. They are having only one cotyledon, fibrous root system, parallel venation, just opposite to the dicotyledon. There are 2 cotyledon, taproot system, reticulate venation. Here only one cotyledon, fibrous root system, parallel venation. So what are the plants have these 3 characters? All comes under the class 3 monocotyledon. Subclass 3 monoclamidae. Subclass under the monocotyledon, some plants deviated in some characters, so they are kept as a subclass 3 monoclamidae. They are having incomplete flower and apetalous, without petals, so they are perion, presence of perion. So those plants comes under the subclass 3 monoclamidae. So இது தான் பெஸ்ட் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் கிளாசிஃபிகேஷன், பிகாஸ் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த கேரக்டர்ஸ் ஆர் taken for classification. So most of the plants work comes under this classification in a correct way. So description of plant is quite accurate and reliable. So mainly based on personal studies from actual specimens and not mere comparison of known facts. So easy to follow, used as a key for the identification of plants in several herbarium of the world. ஸோ அப்போ இந்த சிஸ்டம் தான் ரொம்ப ரிலையபிள்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்களுடைய பர்சனல் ஸ்டடீஸில் இருந்து இந்த கிளாஸிஃபிகேஷனை எடுத்தாங்க. அவங்க எடுத்த கிளாஸிஃபிகேஷன் படி நம்ம இதை கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது பிளான்ட் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிற இடம் தான் ஹெர்பேரியம் இல்லையா, அங்கே போய் நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா இந்த கிளாஸிஃபிகேஷன் படி எல்லாமே அது ரிலையபிளாக இருக்குது. அதனால் இதுதான் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த கண்ட்ரி வாஸ் ஃபாலோயிங் திஸ் நேச்சுரல் சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் கிளாஸிஃபிகேஷன். தேங்க்யூ.